Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the controller discoverable and your phone ready. Hold SL plus SR on Joy-Con or press sync on a Pro controller until LEDs flash. That puts the controller into Bluetooth pairing. On your phone, open Bluetooth and keep the page visible so the device won't sleep. Once done, your phone will scan, stay on the screen and don't back out. This step is quick but essential because the controller only stays discoverable for a short window. You'll see the Switch controller appear as a Bluetooth device. Tap it to pair and accept any prompts. Once paired, immediately open a controller tester or the game's input settings to confirm buttons and sticks register correctly. This prevents surprises mid-play. If the game doesn't recognize it, install a lightweight mapping app, follow its on-screen calibration, and map buttons logically. Make sure vibration and stick dead zones are adjusted. This improves responsiveness and reduces drift during gameplay. To finish, lock screen rotation and enable any performance or game mode so notifications or sleeps don't interrupt input. Start your game and recheck sensitivity. Small tweaks make a big difference. If the controller disconnects, unpair and pair again, toggle Bluetooth, or reboot your phone. That clears transient issues. If latency persists, test the controller with another device to isolate whether the phone or controller is the problem. One key tip: clear Bluetooth cache or reset network settings before assuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.